Hello students, in this class we will discuss about the GNR diode. Up to now we discussed about the normal junction diode. In the normal junction diode, generally you know that normal junction diode represents with the symbol. That symbol is, this is the p-type semiconductor and this is the n-type semiconductor. The combination will be given. But here the GNR diode symbol is like this. Symbol is, it's looking like a Z form. This is the Z form. This is the GNR diode. The symbol is, it's look like a Z. That's why it is called GNR diode. So how it is manufactured means, generally whenever in normal PN junction diode, if you give in reverse bias case, what happened in reverse bias case, whenever we are giving when we are giving the reverse bias, automatically after some time it will act as open circuit. It will act as the open circuit, and junction will break down. Breakdown of junction is possible. Breakdown of junction is possible, and high amount of current will be flowing. High amount of current will be flowing. High amount of current will be flowing. By using that phenomena, we will make this normal junction diode is normal. If the doping is very high level, in order to increase the breakdown voltage, then automatically we will get the more amount of reverse current. We will get the more amount of reverse current. Okay. So in this area, whenever it reaches, then in reverse bias case, condition, more than GNR voltage, it will act as then GNR diode will act as a voltage regulator. That means we can simply say that if this GNR diode have some voltage, that is reverse bias voltage, we are giving the input is less than GNR voltage, automatically it acts as open circuit. If we are giving the GNR voltage more than the, the input is, for example, input is less than, this is reverse, if the input is more than the GNR voltage, then it will give the output voltage, it will act as short circuit, and the voltage it will give always shows the GNR voltage. So by using this phenomena, we will use the GNR diode as the voltage regulator. So in order to understand very clearly this concept, look at here. So this is the GNR diode characteristics. Okay, in that forward bias region, it will act as the same normal diode. Look at here, this is the same as the normal diode. So when you are giving the forward bias condition, then automatically at knee point or cut-in voltage, it is automatically rises. Then the region between this forward voltage and forward current is the forward bias region. If it is highly doped GNR diode, for example, if you are increasing the reverse bias voltage, then automatically if you observe here, we will get the current value will be increases. If you observe here, the current value will be increases like this, and but the voltage value must be constant. There is no change in the voltage value. So by using this phenomena, when you are varying the reverse bias voltage, the GNR, for the GNR diode, the voltage value is fixed. So by using this phenomena, we will use as a voltage regulator. We'll use as a voltage regulator. So in order to understand again clearly, once again we will look at this. Once again, this is possible only due to the doping is very high. When we are doped this normal PN junction diode with very high level, then automatically the normal PN junction diode will become the GNR diode. Okay, so GNR diode is used only at the reverse bias condition. So in a forward bias condition, it will act as a normal PN junction diode. In forward bias, it will act as normal PN junction diode. Normal PN junction diode. But in reverse bias condition, whenever the input voltage is greater than GNR voltage, the diode voltage always will show the GNR voltage, but we will get high amount of current. We will get high amount of current. High amount of current. By using this phenomena, it will be used as a regulator. Very much useful. Very much useful as a regulator. Very much useful as a regulator. This is about the GNR diode, and these are the GNR diode characteristics. And now we will discuss a small problem to understand the GNR diode characteristics. So in that problem is given, if Vz equal to 10 volts is giving, find the values of Iz. Iz means the current flowing through the GNR diode, this value. And if RL equal 1 kilo ohm, first case RL equal 3 kilo ohm. First you take for the 1 kilo ohm load, and then you will go for the 3 kilo ohm load. So for the purpose, first what is the voltage? So if you observe here, this is already in reverse bias. So we can apply voltage regulator concept here. And apply the voltage regulator concept here. So for that purpose, so we'll change the ink color. Solution. So for initially, first you take for initial condition, first you take when the load is, first condition, RL equal to 1 kilo ohm. Then then look at GNR voltage. So now you draw the diagram. The diagram is, so this is 20 volts and this is 2K and this is GNR voltage and this is the 1 kilo ohm. This is the 1 kilo ohm. Okay, right. Now we don't know how much of voltage across this point. Then we will understand. In the reverse case, he already mentioned Vz value equal 10 volts. So you have to get what is the value of this voltage. Then you will understand it is in less than GNR voltage or more than GNR voltage. For that purpose, you have to open circuit the GNR. So 20 volts, this is 2K, and we don't know how much of voltage here. Take it as some V. Take it as some V. uh, this value is, take it as V, and this load is the 1 kilo ohm. This load is the 1 kilo ohm. So in order to find out the voltage across this, directly I can write V value is nothing but voltage across the 1 kilo ohm. So if you find out the voltage across the 1 kilo ohm, that is the V equal, I can write it as voltage division rule. Input voltage, the voltage across that point by total resistance 2k plus 1k. 2k plus 1k. Now you will get is 6.66 volts. So the voltage across this point is 6.66 volts. But what is the GNR voltage? 10 volts. The given GNR voltage is 10 volts. 6.66 voltage is less than the 10 volts. Automatically GNR voltage, so V value, the terminal voltage value is less than the GNR voltage. Then the GNR diode is become open circuit. GNR diode is become the open circuit. Then whenever the terminal is open circuit, then automatically the current flowing through the GNR diode is the 0 amps. 0 amps. Understand? Next, so the GNR voltage, the GNR current will be decided by the load of the any circuit. Next, we will move into the second case. The second case, load value equal to 3 kilo ohm. Then we will find out the GNR current. So for 3 kilo ohm, draw the circuit. This is the 20 volts and this is the 2 kilo ohm. 2 kilo ohm is the source, and the GNR voltage, sorry GNR diode, this is the GNR diode, and next is the load is the 3 kilo ohm. Load is the 3 kilo ohm. Now we don't know how much of voltage is applied to the reverse bias of GNR diode. So for that purpose, again we need to find out the voltage across this point V. Same process. For that purpose, you open the GNR voltage. Again this is the 2k and this is the, we don't know voltage, just open it, open circuit it, and we have 3 kilo ohm here. We have 3 kilo ohm here. Now you will find out the V value. So how can you find out? Same, apply the voltage division rule. What is voltage division rule? Total input voltage and voltage across the resistance and the total. 2k plus 3k. Then this is become 5k. This is 5k 4 times. 5k 4 times. Then kk cancel. Then become, this is become the 12 volts. Now this voltage value is the 12 volts. What is GNR voltage value? The GNR voltage value is 10 volts. Then the GNR voltage is short circuited, and whenever, so now the voltage at that point is more than the GNR voltage. How? The voltage applied is 12 volts and the GNR voltage is the 10 volts. GNR voltage is the 10 volts. Then automatically GNR diode become short circuit. GNR diode is short circuited. Whenever GNR diode is short circuited, automatically some current will flowing. So to find out that current, GNR diode circuit is become like this. So this is the 20 volts and 2k. GNR voltage, GNR is represented by the voltage, that voltage is 10 volts, because it is short circuit, but whenever it short circuit, automatically it acts as a some voltage source, and this is the 3K, 3 kilo ohm. This voltage value is the, you know that this is the 12 volts. You know that this is the 12 volts. Okay. So now we know, so we can find out the current from this point. We can find out the current to the load IL. Okay. First we will find out the current through the IL, and we can find out the current through, we can call it as I, and we can find out the, again we can find out the current from the GNR diode. First we will find out the current IL. So the IL current will give this voltage by this current. So just write down this load current IL equal to this 12 volts by 12 by 3K. So it will gives 4 milliamps. IL value is 4 milliamps. What about source current I? The source current I equal this voltage minus this voltage by resistance. Voltage is 20 and this voltage is 12 by 2K. Understand? So this is not 12 actually, sorry, this is not 12. This is GNR voltage actually. This is the GNR voltage. So GNR voltage by 10. Whenever this is the 10, 3.33 milliamps. Okay. And the source current equal the source minus this voltage by 2. What about this source voltage? This is 10, again this is 10. So 10 by 2K. This will gives 5 milliamps. So current, source current is 5 milliamps, load current is 3.33 milliamps. Then what is the GNR diode current? So the GNR diode current equal to total current minus load current. What is total current? Total current is the 5 milliamps and GNR load current is the 3.33 milliamps. Then automatically what is the value? 1.66 milliamps. 1.66 milliamps. So GNR current, GNR diode current, GNR, the current flowing through the GNR diode is 1.66 milliamps. We can find out the power across the GNR diode also. Power across GNR. What is the power formula? GNR voltage and GNR current. GNR voltage is already 10 volts and GNR current is 1.66 milliamps. Then automatically this is 16.6 milliwatts. Understand? This is the procedure. So in this problem, whenever, the most important point is first you find out the voltage across this open circuit of the GNR voltage. Then you compare. Whenever the voltage at this point, applied voltage is more than this voltage, then automatically GNR diode will on. On means it will get only 10 volts. Understand? Otherwise it will become reverse bias. Okay. This is become open circuit and this is become the short circuit. Okay. So this is the class regarding to our GNR diode. Okay. So in order to understand GNR diode clearly, just compare with the normal PN junction diode. The main difference between the normal PN junction diode and GNR diode is doping is very high. Doping is very high. Okay. Thank you.